Most important, you know I ain't nothing like him, and I know you ain't nothing like that.
Tell me what you want and play your part. I see some darkness in you, girl. That's why you worry about my thoughts. And if my heart is true.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Azuré back in the cut with another YouTube video from the Bronx. And today I am finally back with my Memorial Day sale part 2. There's only 4 items in this package, but I think they were worth the money because I got them all on sale. And I got the nice good cotton and waffle material. So if you guys want to see how these clothes fit on my body, stay tuned. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at bajanbri. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube video. And let's get into it. So I ordered this as my second Memorial Day haul package because I couldn't get more than 10 items in the first package. So I was like, let me just make 2 hauls, 2 videos. So let's start with the package. So yeah, I got the cotton rib thong in the color Pacific in the size extra large. I would have got a large, but I got the cotton rib high brief panties, and those are not very flattering if you have any type of rolls or if you have any type of love handles. It's not very flattering. It digs into your love handles. So I was like, maybe if I get an extra large in the thong, it won't dig that much. So I got the cotton rib thong. I got the cotton rib thong in the color Garnet and Pacific, both in the size extra large. And then I also got 2 waffle zip hoodies, one in the color Onyx in a size small and one in the color Orch in a size small. So let's start off with, we'll wait for this for the end. Let's start off with the thongs because I've never worn a cotton rib Skims thong before. So this is in the color Garnet and an extra large. I won't be trying them on camera, but towards the end of the video, I'll definitely let you know how the thongs fit. But this is the first one. Wow, this is so, I don't want to call it big and then it fits small, but this is kind of big. Like, look how much surface area is in the front of the thong. So this is how it looks. It comes with the logo. This is kind of big. Watch me say it's kind of big and then it fits kind of tight. But this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks in the back. It feels like the same exact material as the cotton rib leggings, just in an underwear form. I really hope this fits because this waistband is huge, in my opinion. But their waistbands are also tight. So it's like it looks huge in your hands, and then when you try it on, it'd be riding up your butt. I mean, it's a thong, so it's gonna ride up your butt. But anyways, this is how it looks. Very pretty color. I just want it to be comfortable. That's what I care most about. That's why I usually don't wear thongs, but wearing full brief bottoms with the Skims leggings are starting to look so tacky. Not saying it's going to look tacky on everybody, but just me personally, I hate the fact that everybody can see my panty line when I'm walking in those leggings. I already have thick thighs. I already have cellulite. My legs be jiggling. I don't got time for you to be looking at the jiggle and the panty lines. Like, that's too much. Like, anyways. This is the first unboxing. This is the thong. Next is the same exact thong in the same exact sizing, just in the color Pacific. So this is how it looks. It literally looks like cotton rib leggings in a thong version. Waistband is also kind of tight, but I will let y'all know exactly how it fits. I wish I could show y'all, but I'm not trying to get demonetized. Maybe if it was a full brief bottom, but a thong bottom, I'm not gonna be making no money. Anyways, so the next thing that I want to show y'all is the waffle hoodie. This is my first time ever trying the waffle collection. I got it in a size small because I watched Kyra Amunique's video and she got her waffle hoodie in a size small. And she said that she liked how it cinched her waist. And our waist size are like very similar, so I thought she got the small, I should get the small. So that's what I got. I got a size small. This is the one I have not worn yet, and the one in Onyx is the one I have worn, and I'm going to give y'all a review on that because I've been wearing it for like a week, so I can tell y'all how it holds up, if it's linty, whatever. So this is the one in the shade Orch in a size small. Feels like a snuggly material, like something that you would wear inside, but it's obviously wearable outside because it is a hoodie. But it's very soft and like snuggly. I feel like even though I've never tried the cozy collection, I would almost compare this to a cozy collection because if you look at it, it kind of looks kind of like furry, like the cozy collection. But but it still has a waffle material. It's weird. So this is how it looks straight out the box. And since it is, since I am just reviewing hoodies and the thongs, I'll try them on now instead of showing you guys the 2 try-on portions. So this is the sleeve length. Perfect length. And like I've said in my previous videos, I'm a 34, 35 bust, 29 waist, and 44 hips. So if your measurements are anything similar to mine, then I would suggest you order the way I ordered. So this is how it looks on. This is how it looks up close. Please excuse my nails. I'm struggling. I'm about to go to the nail salon after this video. It's very cinched at the waist. The length of the arms are perfect, and this is a size small. This is how it looks in the back. Like the perfect everyday hoodie, and it's a nude color, so it goes with all the rest of my neutral colors. If you're a girl that wears a lot of neutrals, or if you just started building your Skims collection, this goes great with it because it's like the perfect brown. But you could wear it with a dark brown, a light brown, a white shirt, a black outfit, a white outfit, a gray outfit, any type of neutral outfit. So yeah, this is how the orange looks. Very cute. I feel like the fact that it cinches in at the waist makes it like very, very, very sexy. And you could either wear it like this, you could wear it like this, you can wear it like this. If you want to, you can wear it open. Like, it's very cute. So I'm gonna show you the black one. So the black one is the one that I have been wearing. I also got the black one in the size small. This is the official color for this hoodie is the color Onyx. I really like this black hoodie. I feel like it's very slimming, but it also gets very, very linty. Like, I've only worn it maybe 3 or 4 times, and the amount of lint that's on it is ridiculous. As long as you have a lint roller, you should be good. But it's just like, I guess, a high maintenance kind of material, because you have to make sure that it always looks clean. Because of the type of material it is, you don't want it to appear as dirty. So I guess just invest in a lint roller. But this is how it looks on. You can see what I'm talking about. This is how it looks on. It's very cute. Very, very, very cute. Wear it like this. I just love how all of her long sleeve anything fits your wrist like this. Like, it comes to the perfect length. I hate when you buy clothes and they're short, and you can tell that whoever designed it didn't really pay a lot of attention to it. She paid so much attention to the way that she developed long sleeve shirts, because all her long sleeves fit exactly like this. I love when your long sleeves cover your hands like this. This is like a must. Anyways, this is how the hoodie looks. I like it a lot. There's really not much to say about it. It's kind of perfect. It hits you right at the right part of your waist. It's snug. It's lightweight. So you could wear it in the summertime or the wintertime. Like, it's just a perfect combo. So this hoodie and this hoodie, 10 out of 10 recommend. As far as the thongs, off of first impression, they look really, really big. I wonder if I should try them on over my smoothing shorts. Is that ghetto? I feel like that's kind of ghetto. Should I do that? Let's see. Would y'all want me to try it on over my smoothing shorts? Let's see if I can. Okay. I should have been did this. So this is how it looks over my shorts. Never did this before, but I just really wanted to show y'all what it looked like. This is how it looked from the side. I hope YouTube does not demonetize me, because I still damn near look naked. But this is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the front. This is how it looks from the back. It feels very comfortable. The waistband doesn't seem super tight like the other waistbands. But this is how the brown color looks. It feels like a regular thong. Oh, it bunches up here. I don't know what that's about. I think it's because I have the But yeah, this is the most I could do to show y'all how the thong looks, because I'm not trying to get demonetized. I have on my smoothing shorts under the thong, and I'm just showing you how it looks. This is in the color garnet in a size extra large. The only thing I will say about the thong is it's bunching up right here. Like, why? I don't know if it's because I got the shorts on, but this is basically how it would look if I tried it on for y'all, even though I'm trying it on. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, those are all the 4 items that I have for you guys. I'm sorry this was such a short haul. I should have just split it. I should have just made it all one big video and then split it in half, but you know, you live and you learn. But yeah, I love these hoodies. It's making me a little hot. But I love these hoodies. These are a great investment. I'm glad that I picked the black and nude colorway because they make them very interchangeable with my outfits. And they're cropped, so they elevate the outfit and make them look more cute and, like, I guess stylish. So the hoodies are a 10 out of 10. I literally have no complaints except to just use a lint roller, because you don't want it to look, not dingy, but you don't want it to look linty. Like, that's the only word I can use to describe it. But yeah, this hoodie, 10 out of 10. This one I just tried on for the first time, but it's the same thing, different color. And as far as the thongs, they are comfortable. It's just a little bunchy at the crotch area, but I'm hoping that's just because I tried it on with the shorts. But besides that, thank you guys so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. There's more Skims videos coming very soon, like in a couple of minutes. Hopefully after this one, you'll see another one. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. DM me, I'll DM you back. Any questions that you have about Skims, any questions that you have about anything, DM me and I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. I want to connect more with y'all. Please let me know in the comments what I should call y'all. I have not really developed a name, but I don't really know if y'all want to be called a name. I don't know if I should make it Skims related or I should make it Ali related, like the Ali team, Ali, I don't know. Let me know in the comments, but thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.